Erin here with Erin Makes, and today we're going to be putting in our AC unit, but also decorating it at the same time, and I'll show you what I mean. Let's go. So right here is where our AC unit goes every single summer, and it is officially 80 degrees out today, which means we're putting it in. Right here, she is a rolling, standing out of the window unit, and last year I had the bright idea also to decorate it, and I used this piece of fabric. If you see it, it's a little bit dirty from being inside and outside all last year. But the alternative is showing this beautiful kind of dirty piece of white plastic with tape all over it instead. And I prefer not to do that, not to have that in the window for the entire summer because it will last 3 or 4 months and I want to make it pretty. So I'll show you guys what I do to decorate the window unit. For reference, I'll show you guys our in window unit as well. I basically, for this one, it comes with felt siding and I put white duct tape around it in addition. So it looks a little bit more blended in. And then for the other unit, we actually ran out of white duct tape, so I used gray. Just makes it more blended into the window. Our third unit, which goes into the living room, is a rolling one, which means that we put that piece in the window and I can decorate it any way I want every year. So last year I had a specific piece of fabric that I used, but I figured I could use this scarf that I basically never wear. We can use it for the whole summer and then wash it after, and if it doesn't wash out, that's totally fine. I could use the scarf for something else or another project or use it again, but it's really pretty. It has some nice stripes on it, so let's put the AC unit in. First off, we need to clean off the window here, so we'll do that right now. We will not be lighting any of our candles probably during the summer. You may have noticed as well in this window, we don't actually have full window guards, and that's on purpose. We don't technically need to have them. We've opted out of them for this New York City apartment, but I do totally recommend these smaller window guards. You can pick these up at the hardware store. That's where I got these. We have a couple, I don't know where the other ones are, but you can pull them in and take them out whenever you open the window or don't have it open. So for right now, I'll pull it out. We'll kind of wipe down this whole area and then we'll put the AC unit in. We'll actually close it for now. One time we had a bee fly in here and I don't want another one, so. Clean up this whole area. The most fun part about having an out of window AC is this fun tube that makes cool sounds. Probably inspiration for the accordion or vice versa. The first thing we need to do is take this scarf and put it around this window piece here. And then let's see how we can maybe make it work. Last year, I literally made a specific hole for it, and we probably should measure it first. We can just use this one from last year to see how big the window is. And I would totally use this one again. It's just obviously kind of gross looking now. So we have last year's window setup right here. And for this year's, I think we will have to cut this scarf, but that's totally okay. She's gotten a lot of wear and we can honestly probably still wear the scarf. And I have my cordless scissors that we'll use here. That's these. Highly recommend. I do a lot of sewing, and so to cut fabric, this is super helpful to use. I think what I'm gonna do here is just go off the measurements from last year. And I know that what we'll want to do is tape it on the back. We can measure this and cut it. I think you guys are gonna think these scissors are magnificent because I think they're awesome. Lay this out. Okay, perfect. We are done with the scarf. We can throw that aside. We want to make sure that we have room to cut the hole. So what I'm going to do here actually is fold this in half and we'll lay it on top just like that. And we're ready to go. I'm gonna put the window guard in. I'm actually realizing we want it flipped, and that's where it'll go actually in the window, which it's not right now. So we never know where it should go. And this will help us figure that out. Then with that, we can tape on the scarf to the middle part here, and then we'll cut it out after. 2 types of tape. So roll that over. Okay, we saved it. The scarf down. Done. And I'm purposely not taping this side yet because we have to pull the two pieces apart to get it into the window first. Now she looks like this, and I'm excited to put it in the window. That. And there we go. So now for the fun part, I get to cut this live. I think I might try to use some tiny scissors first, and we'll see how that goes. And the reason I wanted to cut this out here was because it's just a little bit easier to get it kind of set up for this particular summer. We're not gonna move the unit all summer. It's easier just to get it all set up like this. Okay, moment of truth is now plugging in the unit in between and seeing if it works. And tuck it in. And once this one's secure, you like pull these wings out and they really hold it in place, so perfect. And it still looks cute. It's not wrinkly at all. We're good. Voila, now we have a nice little hole we can see the outside world, and let's put the AC unit in. The fun part. And it's secure. Moment of truth. Oh yeah. Nice and cool air. And she looks cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys get to do this to your own apartments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with more crafts. Thanks again.